Hi guys, we're gonna fill the bird feeders. Miss Katniss, do you want some pets this time? Oh, yeah. You're good pets now. Good girl. Alright. Made me go a long way. Some other kitties getting in. Here we are. We filled the bird feeders. Yes. Look, we've got a friend out here to watch us work today. There he is. Got a little chipmunk friend running around the driveway. There it goes. Up the tree. Today we're just working here. Just real quick, I might find something else to do, but that thing is out of power, which means you can't get in the garage door. So let's change the batteries on it. We've got our nice, don't mind the duct tape. It's our screwdriver set. It's really old, which is why it's been broken and duct taped together. We'll pop this open, pop this, and see what sort of batteries we use. Hopefully not AAA, because we've only got 3 of those. But, I mean, if we only need 2, then we're all set. But if we need 4, then we're out of luck. Ground. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's neither AA or AAA. It's a 9-volt. Because I gotta run back inside and grab a different battery. I had supplies with me. I'd grabbed AA's. I've got AAA's in my pocket. But it's a 9-volt. So we just gotta put these back. I threw out the box for the AA's. So they're just gonna have to sit in there, I guess. We'll just go on with the AA's. Here we go, 9 volts. And underneath. Off, we can get them out. Alright. This should be what we need. What you doing, Mr. Othello? You want in Austin's room, huh? Yeah. You want to sit on his bed, but he's sick, so you can't go in there. Poor little Othello. Okay, we're back. We got our 9-volt. Switch it out. Hope it doesn't die. This should be right. Cat back on. Oh no. Guys, the screw fell down there somewhere. Oh, I should have got better hold of it. See it? There it is. I saw it. Haha, we got it. Persistence. Persistence paid off. Back on, righty tighty. It's got extra resistance. Guess I should make sure it's not dirt. Alright, that should be good. We gotta put the code in the tester. I was gonna go test it by hitting the other button. That doesn't work. We'll see if it works. Yeah, we got victory. I hope that was a sound click outside. There we go. We got that taken care of nice and easy. Right. Got those batteries replaced. Yeah. Oh, come on, pen. Well, pen didn't go so good, but replacing the batteries did. We need to fix that. You see, it's not in line with the battery. Go get a ladder. Grab a ladder. Got my ladder. Up the better. Nice and sturdy. Now the scary part, climbing up. All right. Lots of nails in the gutter, but all leaves. I'd like to get it back a bit further. It doesn't want to go. Well, hopefully that'll make it better. All right. The next project.